companies are once again facing shortages of essential medicines. Growing demand is leaving shelves empty, especially when it comes to children's cough syrups. Experts warn that without faster production, these shortages may worsen in the coming weeks.
And then it struck to me, something so simple, we hardly notice it until it's gone. Only then do we realize how fragile the system really is. Working in automation, it couldn't help but wonder, could robots fill the pharmaceutical supply gap?
Hello, I'm Mike Weber. I'm the founder of Robotronic, a small Swiss company concentrating on robotic applications, building machines for the pharmaceutical industry with robots. In the background you can see a palletizer. What is special about it is it's probably the most compact palletizer worldwide, and we will manage whatever volume the machine can bring, because we easily can have up to 10 tubs, which actually is easy, also 600 products per minute, without really challenging the machine to the limits. Next to the palletizer, we have in the moment also a denesting, renesting machine, which we are just in some final steps of bringing to the market. And as on all our machines, no glass contact, no breaking glass, everything easy to clean. Chosen Mitsubishi robots, which of course is our main product, because we are building packaging machines for pharmaceutical purpose, especially with robots. Next to the robots we are using servos, GOT, PLCs, but our main product is quite clear, the MIDI robots. The compliance mode of the Mitsubishi robots is a very, very important subject for us. We have the robots driving full speed, and there where we get near to the glass we have this compliance mode, and due to that it touches it very softly. So we actually call it soft touch technology. Every machine from us has 1, 2, 4, sometimes 6 robots built into it, and it's of course one of the greatest tools in industry. Operating 2 robots at the same time, actually so close together that they actually anytime that you have the possibility of collision, is of course quite challenging. We have some machines where we have just about a pallet size, meaning 120 by 80 centimeters, and for many years there is never a mistake done by a robot, so we are challenging them and driving sometimes millimeters. The 2 heads drive in front of each other, and that over years, no problem.
The biggest challenge we've solved was enabling Robotronic to safely and continuously operate 2 robots side by side in a confined environment without compromising our speed or precision. We recommended our FR series robots with additional servo access, which perfectly matched their requirements. Our FR robots with their compact controller and their super flexible and compact arm sizes are the best solutions for these pharma cells to minimize the footprint whilst increasing productivity. Our solution unique is the built-in compliance control that allows the robots to handle glass vials with a gentle touch and still maintain 0 product damage. In pharmaceutical production, consistency isn't just about quality, it is about regulatory compliance and safety. I described our relationship with Robotronic as a true technological partnership. They bring deep pharmaceutical process expertise, and we bring robotics innovation. Together we make a team that offers solutions that go beyond goals of our customers.